Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to delete chat on your TikTok account. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing to that, you simply need to go to your inbox. Once you're there, you simply choose a chat in which you want to delete. Okay, let's say this first one, highlight on it, click on what to delete. But on iPhone, you simply need to swap it in one direction. Like before, you can be able to delete it. So we are going to click on it, delete. After that, you click on delete chat. So guys, that's actually the way you delete chat on TikTok account. That is, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.